Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 10 surface areas and volumes. Exercise 10.4. First question. The question is, the radius of a sphere is 3.5 centimeter. Find its surface area and volume. Okay, now see its solution, Nana. Here given the radius of a sphere. The radius of a sphere is equals to 3.5 centimeter. So this is the rough figure, Nana. Okay. This is the radius of a sphere given 3.5 centimeter. So by using this one, now I am going to find its surface area and volume. So first one, surface area. What is the surface area? Surface area of a sphere, that is equals to what, Nana? Surface area of a sphere is equals to, what is the formula? That is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. So now 4 into pi means we know that is 22 by 7 into r square. The value of r is what, Nana? 3.5. Okay, r square means what? That is 3.5 into 3.5. Units వచ్చేసి centimeter ఇచ్చాడు. So that's why area is always square units. So that's why square centimeters. Now clearly 3.5 ones are 3.5, 3.5 twos are 7. 3.5 ones are 3.5, 3.5 twos are 7. Again using two table, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Now 2 into 22. 2 into 22 means what, Nana? That is 44 into 3.5 square centimeters. So ఈ రెండింటిని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది, నాన్న? 44 into 3.5 means we do like this. 44 into 3.5. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12 plus 1, 13. So that is 0, 4, 5, 1. So here point after one decimal is there. So that's why we can write it as 154. 154 square centimeters. So curved surface area. The curved surface area of a sphere is equals to what, Nana? 154 square centimeters. Now see its volume. Okay, so sphere, Nana. Now the volume of a sphere is equals to, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube the volume of a sphere is equals to what, Nana? 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Volume is always cubic units only. Now 4 by 3 means I am writing 4 by 3 into pi means the value of pi is what, Nana? 22 by 7. Sometimes we take it as a 3.14 also. Now r cube, the value of r is what, Nana? That is 3.5 centimeter. So r cube means that is 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. Volume is always cubic units means the given units are centimeter. So that is cubic centimeters. Now again 3.5 ones are 3.5, 3.5 twos are 7, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay, now see 2 into 22 means what, Nana? That is 44. 2 into 22 means 44 into 3.5 into 3.5. 3.5 into 3.5 means what? That is, you see now, 3.5 into 3.5. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. So that is 5 2 1 2 1. So ikkada point after one decimal point after one number is there, point after one number is there, I mean one decimal place is there. So that is 12.25. Okay, 12.25. Okay, 2 into 22, that is 44. 3.5 into 3.5, that is 12.25 by 3 is there. Okay, now by using 3 table, cancellation is not possible. Just you multiply 44 into 12.25, what happens? 44 into 12.5, 12.25 into 44, 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 10, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 4 1s are 4. Again we get a same thing only, that is 0 0 9 4. So that is 0 0 9, 4 plus 9 13. So that is, we get 539. Okay, so 539 by 3. The volume of a sphere is equals to what? 539 by 3. Now cancel it. 539 by 3. 3 1s are minus చేస్తే 2 వస్తుంది. 3 7s are 21 2. 3 8s are 24. 3 9s are 27 వస్తుంది 2. So that is equals to what, Nana? We get the volume is 179 2 by 3. 179 2 by 3 cubic centimeters. Okay, so this is the required answer, students. The volume of a sphere is equals to what? That is 179 2 by 3 cubic centimeters. సో దీన్ని డెసిమల్స్లో కూడా మనం రాయొచ్చు, ఇక్కడతోటి ఎండ్ చేయొచ్చు, లేదు అనుకుంటే వీ కెన్ రైట్ ఇట్ యాజ్ ఇన్ డెసిమల్. ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ పెట్టేసుకుంటే 0 రాసుకోవచ్చు. ఇక్కడ 3 6 are 18. సో మైనస్ చేస్తే 2 వస్తుంది. పాయింట్ మీన్స్ అగైన్ 0, అగైన్ 3 6 are 18. సో వీ కెన్ రైట్ లైక్ దిస్ ఆల్సో, దట్ ఈస్ 179.6 cubic centimeters. Is that clear? Okay students, now the second question is, the surface area of a sphere is 1018 2 by 7 square centimeters. What is its value? Here given the surface area of a sphere. By using this one, we are going to find its volume. So this is the rough figure, Nana. It's a sphere. Okay, this is the radius. The surface area of a given data, given surface area of a sphere is equals to 1018 2 by 7 square centimeters. So now I am writing this one, multiplying this whole number part with 7, then after adding 2. So 7 into 1000, 7000, 7 into 0, that is 0 only. Next 7 into 1, 7 means that is 70. 7 8s are 56. So that is 6 12 1 7. So that is 7126 plus 2 means what, Nana? 7128. So 7 into 1018 means that is 7126, adding 2 means 128 by 7 square centimeters. Now we know the surface area of a sphere is equals to, what is the formula nana? That is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. Okay, square units. Now 4 into pi means 22 by 7 into r square is equals to 7128 by 7. Now clearly what I am doing here, transposing 4 into 22 by 7 to RHS side. Then what happened? R square is equals to 7128 by 7 into 22 by 7. Otherwise you write like this. First step, R square is equals to transposing 4 into 22 by 7. So into quantity becomes what, Nana? Division quantity. So that is 4 into 22 by 7. So in next step, R square is equals to 7128 by 7 into the reciprocal of 4 is what, Nana? 4 ni manam we can write it as 4 by 1 also. Okay, the reciprocal of 4 by 1 ante that is 1 by 4 into the reciprocal of 22 by 7 means that is 7 by 22. Okay, what are the units? Units are square units. So here 7 ones are 7 ones are 7 7 cancel. So now clearly I am using 4 table. 4 table use cheste the exact divisible avutundi because of tens place and ones place digits should be divisible by 4. So 4 ones are 4 ones are. Okay, ఈ 7 లో 4 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 3 ఉంటుంది, బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 1 అంటే 31. ఓకే, సో 4 sevens are 28 వస్తుంది. 31 లో 28 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 3 ఉంటుంది, బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 2. ఓకే, అంటే 32. సో 4 8s are 32, 4 2s are 8. ఇక్కడ క్లియర్ ఉందమ్మా? 4తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తున్నా, ఇలా 7128 బై 4 చేస్తున్నా. 4 1s are, ఈ 7లో 3 ఉంది, బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 1 అంటే 31. 4 7s are 28 అంటే 31లో 28 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 3 ఉంటుంది, బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 2 అంటే 32. సో 4 8s are 32 అండ్ 4 2s are 8. సో అంటే మనకి 1782 వస్తుంది. ఓకే, నౌ R square is equals to 1782 by what, Nana? This is 22. సో ఇక్కడ 11 టేబుల్ యూజ్ అవుతుందో చూద్దాం. ఓకే, 11 1s are 11. I'm using 11 table. 11 2s are 22 వస్తుంది. 11 1s are 11. 17లో 11 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 6 ఉంటుంది, బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 8 అంటే 68. సో 11 6 are 66. 68లో 66 మైనస్ అయిపోతే 2 ఉంటుంది, బిసైడ్ నెంబర్ ఆల్సో 2. సో 11 2s are 22 అంటే 11 టేబుల్ అప్లై చేస్తే 11 2s are 22, 11 162s are 1782. Now R square is equals to 2 1s are 281s are 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 281s are. R square is equals to 81. Okay, so then we can write applying both sides square root. Then what happened? Square root cancel. R is equals to root 81 means this is 9. So the radius of a sphere is equals to what, Nana? That is 9 centimeters. Now I am using the formula of volume. What is the volume of a sphere, Nana? The volume of a the volume of a sphere is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. Okay, now that is 4 by 3 into pi means 22 by 7 into r cube. The value of r is 9. R cube means that is 9 into 9. Units are centimeters, so that's why cubic centimeter. So using 3 table, 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay, next 4 into 22, 3 into 9 into 9. Okay, so 4 into 22 means what? That is 88 into 3 into 9 nines are what, Nana? 81 by 7. Now 88 into 3 into 81 means that is 3 ones are 3, 3 eights are 24. That is 243 by 7. Okay. Now 88 into 243. 243 into 88. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32 plus 2, that is 34. 8 2s are 16 plus 3, that is 19. Again we get that only. That is 4 4 9 1. So 4 8 9 plus 4 13 11. So we get 21,384 by 7. ఓకే మా ఇక్కడ క్లియర్గా మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తారు. 4 into 22 అంటే 88, 3 అలానే రాశారు. 3 into 9 9s are 81. అగైన్ ఈ రెండింటిని ఇంటూ చేస్తే 3 into 81 we get 243. So 88 into 243 means we get 21,384 by 7. So by doing cancellation, actual division, 21,384 using 7 table. 7 30s are 210. Because of 7 3s are 21 కదా, పక్కన 0 పెట్టేసుకుంటే 7 30s are 210 అవుతుంది. సో మైనస్ చేస్తే 3 వస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఇస్ 8. 7 5s are 35. మైనస్ చేస్తే 3 వస్తుంది. క్యారీ డౌన్ 4. ఓకే, 7 4s are 28. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ 7 5s are means 35 అంటే 34ని క్రాస్ అయిపోతుంది. మైనస్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంటుంది, 4, దట్ ఈస్ 6. పాయింట్ మీన్స్ 0. 7 8s are 56, that is minus means 4. Again point means 0. 7 5s are 35. So we get approximately the volume is equals to 3054.85 cubic centimeters. Okay na students, so this is the volume of a sphere. Thank you students.